Today I'm playing as this, like cowgirl or whatever. Playing like a little mission. Oh my god, the floor is lava. I play that all the time. Just in general on Subway Surfers. I imagine the floor is lava. Wait, does it hold if I touch it? Give me that, give me that. Oh my. Not that many trains left. Okay, this is pretty fun, this edition. What? Oh man. This is pretty scary, doing this edition. Oh my god. Dude, this is so... Oh my god. Guys, are you watching? If so, you've seen how hard this is and how much I'm stressing out on this lava one. Like, lava edition is extra hard. Like, in general, Subway Surfers, I'm great at this. But this... Like, oh! You know how I'm doing so good even on this one? I practice a lot. Pretending, Okay, bye.